A link for the hardware setup is in the description below. This setup segment is for Windows 10. Once the hardware setup is complete, we need to connect the computer to the Wi-Fi Camp Pro 3's wireless network. On your computer, navigate to your available wireless networks. Click to see all available wireless networks. We are looking for the Wi-Fi Camp Pro 3's wireless network. In this case, our unit is called Camp Pro-AF7B23. Click on the Wi-Fi Camp Pro 3 network and click Connect. In most cases, if the connection is successful, an internet browser window will open, prompting you to name and create a password for your Wi-Fi Camp Pro 3. If an internet browser window does not automatically appear, open a browser such as Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or Safari if you're using an Apple device, and type the Wi-Fi Camp Pro 3's IP address, which is 192.168.36.1, into the address bar to bring you to the setup screen. You may choose a new name for your Wi-Fi Camp Pro 3 network, or keep it the same. Next, create a password for your Wi-Fi Camp Pro 3. Repeat the password in the box below, then click Save. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to reconnect to your Wi-Fi Camp Pro 3's network. Scroll through all the steps showing you how to reconnect to your Wi-Fi Camp Pro 3's network by clicking on the right arrow, and click Save and Restart. In some cases, you will be brought directly to the login page for your Wi-Fi Camp Pro 3. However, you will need to wait a few seconds as your computer has disconnected from the Wi-Fi Camp Pro 3's wireless network, and it will not work unless you reconnect. To reconnect, navigate to your computer's available wireless networks. If you renamed the Wi-Fi Camp Pro 3's wireless network, it will appear as what you named it. Click on the Wi-Fi Camp Pro 3's wireless network and click Connect. You will be asked for the network security key. This is the password you created for the Wi-Fi Camp Pro 3. Then click on Next. If the connection is successful, an internet browser will open, prompting you to log into your Wi-Fi Camp Pro 3. Type in the password you created and click Login. Once logged in, the Wi-Fi Camp Pro 3 will scan for nearby wireless networks. Click on the wireless network you wish to extend. For many of you, this will be the name of your RV park Wi-Fi network. A pop-up will appear prompting you to type in the wireless network's password, if it has one. Type in the password and click Confirm. If you do not know the password for this network, you will need to consult with park management or the network operator. Once the Wi-Fi Camp Pro 3 is connected to the wireless network you wish to extend, you will be able to see information of the wireless network you connected to, along with the signal quality. From here, you are good to go. The wireless network you selected should be extended and you should have internet access. All you have to do is connect any other devices to the Wi-Fi Camp Pro 3's wireless network. If you need further help, email us at tech@rockland.com. Be sure to include your order number and website purchased from. Or talk to us on our live chat at rockland.com. Our technical support is US based, and we have first-hand experience with the ALFA Camp Pro kit.